Good morning, sir. Nice to have you here at this grand event. A few words about ICTST Bridge, titled "The Big Digital World," please.
Oh, hi, I'm BG Venkatesh. I'm the co-founder of Campus Tiger, an opportunity platform to encourage student entrepreneurs. In fact, I am grateful to be here for the digital summit. In fact, I was looking forward for this event for quite some time. It's a fantastic platform for the industry, the academia, and people like me who will sometime play an important role making India a digital country. In fact, such forums surely will help the academia in specific to adopt digital strategy, learn new things, and move forward. In fact, today if you see the world, maybe in couple of years or maybe down the time, there wouldn't be any large disconnect between an American student or an Indian student. So that would be a significant jump or an edge what an Indian student will have going forward. I'm sure ICT is playing a fantastic role. All the best, ICT, ACT, and I'm sure you will be one of the forerunners in terms of making India digitally enlightened. Thank you.
One more question, sir. What is your expectation of impact factor that this event should be creating?
Okay. I'm sure no such events create phenomenal impact because there is complete change which is happening across the digital world. For example, mobility or analytics or for that matter new things which come up in the digital world has to be informed to the at the grassroots level, because these are the people who are finally going to use such technology. Because without the use of technology, and if it exists, absolutely there is not going to be any outcome for it. So I'm sure such events will ensure that the technology is used by the stakeholders.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.